Good morning students, I am Shailesh Kumar from Oxaria Coaching Center. Today I am going to talk about trigonometric identities, and I would like to say that welcome back on my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, share with friends, and please comment on my videos. Thank you for watching. Now let us proceed. The first question is 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus of sin theta into 1 plus of sin theta will be equal to 1. We have to prove this question. This is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. So let us discuss. LHS means 1 plus tan square of theta into 1 minus of sin theta into 1 plus of sin theta. These are two alternative terms with plus and minus. So 1 plus tan square theta means sec square of theta. We already discussed in previous lecture. And 1 minus of sin theta into 1 plus of sin theta. That means 1 square minus of sin square of theta. How can? Because a minus of b into a plus of b means a square minus of b square. That means sec square of theta into 1 square means 1 and minus sin square of theta. We already know that 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. That means sec square of theta into cos square of theta. And we already know that sec and cos are the mutually reciprocal to each other. That's why these two terms cancel out. That means we can say that sec square theta means 1 upon cos square theta multiplied by cos square of theta. This cancel out with this. That means 1. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Proved. And the second one is 2 into cos square of theta plus 2 upon 1 plus cot square theta will be equal to 2. We have to prove this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Hence, LHS will be equal to cos square of theta plus 2 upon 1 plus cot square of theta. We have to always remember some formulas while solving this type of identities. That's why this is the cos square of theta and 2 is also here, 2 upon 1 plus cot square theta. What is the meaning of 1 plus cot square theta? We already know that 1 plus cot square theta means cosec square of theta. That means 2 upon cosec square of theta. And 2 is also here. Now 2 into cos square of theta plus 2 into, we already know that 1 upon cos square theta means sin square theta. So we can put here 1. 2 ones are 2. That means 1 upon cosec square of theta will be equal to sin square of theta. And after that we have to take common as a 2. 2 is the common part. That means cos square of theta plus sin square of theta. That means sin square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. Or cos square theta plus sin square theta will be equal to 1. That means 2 multiplied by 1, that means 2. Therefore, LHS will be equal to RHS. Proved. Now, you can take a screenshot. The next question is sec square of theta minus of 1 into 1 minus of cosec square theta equal to and the problem number 2 equal to sin of q theta plus cos of q theta divided by sin theta plus of cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta will be equal to 1. Here two types of problem. Now the first question is, and this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. Now LHS will be equal to sec square of theta minus of 1 into 1 minus cosec square of theta. Always remind that we have to remind this formula, sec square of theta minus of tan square theta will be equal to 1 and cosec square of theta minus of cosec square of theta minus of cot square theta will be equal to 1. So utilize the formula. Sec square theta equal to 1 plus of tan square of theta and minus of 1, and after that 1 minus cosec square theta, 1 minus cosec square of theta, and 1 minus cosec square theta means 1 minus cosec square theta equal to cosec square theta equal to cosec square theta minus of cot square theta will be equal to 1. That means utilize the formula. Cosec square of theta minus cot square theta will be equal to 1. We have to put here 1 minus cosec square theta or cosec square theta. That means minus cot square theta will be equal to 1 minus of cosec square of theta. We already discussed. Now put here minus cot square theta means 1 minus cosec square of theta, or 1 minus cosec square theta means minus of cot square theta. That means we have to put here minus of cot square of theta. Now 1 cancel out with 1, and this is the tan square of theta, and this is the cot square theta, and minus is common here. That's why cot square theta and tan square theta cancel out with each other. That means tan square of theta into 1 upon cot square of theta and minus of 1. So cot square theta cancel out with tan square of theta. That means 1 into multiplied by minus of minus 1 1 ja minus of 1. We always utilize this type of formulas while solving the identities. Now you can take a screenshot. Now the next problem is sin of q theta plus cos of q theta and sin theta plus of cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta will be equal to 1. So remind that we have already studied the formula is aq plus bq. That means we have to utilize here factorial formula. A cube plus b cube will be equal to a plus of b into a square plus of b square minus of ab. So let us suppose sin theta means a and cos theta means b, and after that we have to use aq plus bq. So LHS will be equal to sin of cube theta and cos of cube theta divided by sin of theta plus of cos of theta plus sin of theta into cos of theta. So let sin of theta will be equal to a and cos of theta will be equal to b. Hence the formula will be equal to a cube plus b cube upon a plus of b, and this is the a and into b. So while solving the identities, we already know that aq plus bq means a plus of b into a square plus of b square minus of ab, and divided by a plus of b and plus a into of b. While solving, a plus b cancel out with a plus b. That means a square plus of b square minus of ab plus of ab. Now putting the value of a and b. That's why we can say that sin square of theta, here sin square of theta in the place of a, and here cos square of theta in the place of b, minus sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos of theta, and plus sin theta into cos of theta. While solving, we already know that sin square of theta plus of cos square theta means 1. This is the 1, and this part cancel out with this part. That means 1. Hence we can say that LHS will be equal to RHS. Proved. Now the next question is 1 plus of cot theta minus of cosec theta into 1 plus of tan theta plus of sec theta will be equal to 2. We have to prove 2. So firstly I would like to say that if in the expression or in the identities given in the form of tan theta, cot theta and sec and cosec theta, then we will always try to change into sine and cos, and after that we find it very easily way. Now let us proceed it. LHS will be equal to 1 plus cot of theta minus of cosec of theta and 1 plus tan of theta plus of sec of theta. I already told you, if the expression or identity is in the form of cot, cosec, tan and sec, and then after that we will have to change into sine and cos form. So let us discuss. 1 plus cot means cos theta upon sine theta. We already discussed in the previous lecture. And cosec theta means 1 upon sine of theta. And after that close the bracket. Once again 1 plus tan theta means sine theta upon cos theta, and sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. Why so? Because we already know that sec and cosec are reciprocal to each other. Then solve it. After finding the LCM, this is the sine theta, and sine theta multiplied by 1, that means sine theta 1 is sine theta, and plus these terms remain same, that means cos of theta minus of 1, bracket close. And also, and in this section cos theta will be LCM, and cos theta multiplied by 1, cos theta 1 is cos theta, and remain part will be constant, same as sine of theta plus of 1. Why so? Because in this section cos theta and cos theta are same in denominator. That's why we can say that sine theta plus of 1 in the same way. Here sine theta plus of cos theta minus 1 divided by sine theta, and cos theta plus sine theta plus 1 divided by cos theta, and we have to concentrate sine theta plus cos theta. This means if we suppose this is the A and this is B, also this is A and this is B, that means this is the formula of A square minus of B square. Sorry, that means sine of theta plus cos of theta the whole square minus of 1 the whole square. That means this is the A, whole part is A, that means A the whole square minus of B the whole square divided by sine of theta into cos of theta. Now, and after that breaking the square, that means sine square of theta plus cos square of theta plus 2 sine theta into cos of theta. We already studied sine theta plus cos theta the whole square and minus of 1 divided by sine of theta into cos of theta. Hence sine square theta plus cos square d, that means 1 plus 2 sine of theta minus into cos of theta minus of 1 divided by sine of theta into cos of theta. 1 cancel out with 1, and the remaining part is 2 sine of theta into cos of theta divided by sine of theta into cos of theta, and this cancel out with this part, and after that the result will be 2. Therefore LHS will be equal to RHS. This is a very simplified form. Whenever we use or utilize an algebraic formulae in the identities such as A and B, and after that you can solve very easily way. So you can take a screenshot. Now the next problem is cos theta upon 1 minus of tan theta. plus sin theta upon 1 minus of cot theta and equal to cos theta plus of sin theta. I already told you, if the expression or identities in the form of tan theta and cot theta or cosec theta, that's why we have to change into sin and cos form. So let us proceed. LHS will be equal to cos of theta upon 1 minus tan of theta plus sin of theta upon 1 minus cot of theta. So cos theta remains same divided by 1 minus of tan theta convert into sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta upon 1 minus cot theta means cos theta upon sin of theta, and here we have to calculate in the fractional form. So equal to cos of theta upon cos theta बन सा cos theta minus of sin theta minus of sin of theta upon cos of theta. This fraction is larger or plus sin of theta upon sin theta was not sin of theta minus cos of theta upon sin of theta. We have to follow the rule 1, 2 and 3. These 3 part multiplied into 1 part. That means this is a greater fraction and this is the greater fraction also. That's why we can say that cos theta multiplied with cos theta means cos square of theta upon cos theta minus of sin theta plus sin of theta upon sin theta multiplied with also, that means sin square of theta, that means sin of theta minus of cos theta. Please concentrate. Cos square theta upon cos theta minus of sin theta plus sin square theta upon sin theta minus of cos theta. If we watch out this denominator form, we assume or we have the altered term. We have altered term, that means cos theta minus sin theta, and here is sin theta minus of cos theta. So we have to put in the same form, and whenever we put into same form, we will have to change the sign. That means here will be minus. How? That means cos square of theta upon cos theta of minus of sin theta, cos theta minus of sin theta minus plus change into minus sin square of theta upon, and this term placed here and this term placed here, and after replacing the term minus sign will be here. That means cos theta minus of sin theta. I give you a concept. The concept is, if a minus b, then we can say that minus of b minus of a. How can? Let us assume minus b minus into minus plus of a, and after arranging a minus of b, that's why we can say that a minus of b equal to minus of b minus of a. This process always established by me in this place. That's why this term change into this term and minus change into plus change into minus, and after rubbing this part will be same, yani cos of theta minus of sin theta, and this part cos square theta minus of sin square theta, and after the breaking the term cos theta plus of sin theta into cos of theta minus of sin theta upon cos of theta minus of sin of theta, and this term cancel out with this term, and after that cos of theta plus sin of theta, and this is the RHS. That means LHS will be equal to RHS. We always remind that the concept is A minus B equal to minus of B minus of A, and this concept will very helpful for solving this type of problems, and you can take a screenshot. Now the next problem is sine of theta minus of 2 sine cube of theta upon 2 cos of cube theta minus of sine theta, cos of theta will be equal to tan of theta. This problem can be solved in two ways. So I want to discuss in the two various ways. The first method here, and the second method is here. In this section I will discuss in the second method. How can we solve in the second method? Whenever I mention method 1, method 2, and sometimes I will also put here method 3, because if we have lots of method to solving any type of a specific problem, then we have to gain extra concept while solving the trigonometrical identities. So I will also prefer those students who want to build their concepts in trigonometrical identities, please concentrate or please try to solve different type of problems in different ways. So now let us proceed. The first method is, and this is the LHS part. LHS means sine of theta minus 2 sine of cube theta upon 2 cos of cube theta minus of cos of theta. Firstly, we have look sine theta minus of 2 sine cube theta. That means sine theta is the common part in the numerator, as well as cos theta is the common part in the denominator. That means we have to put common sine of theta, and after taking common sine theta, the remaining part is 1 here and minus of 2 sine square of theta. Same as if we take a common cos into the denominator, that means cos of theta. After that here 2 cos square of theta minus of 1, and sin theta upon cos theta. Firstly solve it. Sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That means 1 means sin square theta plus cos square of theta, and minus 2 sin square of theta. We put here in the place of 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta. We already discussed in the previous lecture. Also cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. That means 2 cos square theta minus of 1 means sin square of theta plus cos square of theta. And after that sin theta into sin square theta and sin square theta minus of 2 sin square theta means sin square theta. That means minus sin square theta plus cos square of theta plus divided by cos of theta, and 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta minus. After breaking the minus, this will be minus. That means minus of sin square theta, and also plus into minus minus. That means minus of cos square of theta. And after that sin of theta into, this will be sin of theta, and firstly we have to put positive part. That means cos square theta minus of sin square theta. This is the negative part. That's why we put here and cos of theta. And please look at here 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta means cos square theta. that means cos square of theta minus sin square of theta, and this part cancel out with this part, that means sin upon cos, that means tan, sin theta upon cos theta, that means tan. Therefore LHS will be equal to RHS. Please take a screenshot. Now let us second method. Second method is LHS will be equal to 2 sine of theta minus 2 sine of q theta divided by 2 cos of q theta minus cos of theta. After taking common, sin theta is the common part, because here will be sin theta and minus 2 sine of q theta. Here is the power cube. That means we have to take sin theta as a common part. That means 1 minus of 2 sine square of theta. And here will be cos of theta is the common part. That means 2 cos square of theta minus of 1. If we have remind the formulae cos of 2 theta. In this section, cos 2 theta is the formulae which is not involved in this chapter, but in the next chapter cos 2 theta is mentioned in this book. So we always remind that sin theta into, this is the cos of 2 theta form, and cos of theta, and this will be also cos of 2 theta form. Cos 2 theta cancel with cos 2 theta, that means sin theta upon cos theta, that means tan of theta. We always remind that 1 minus 2 sin square theta means cos of 2 theta, and also 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to cos of 2 theta. This formulae is always utilized in the advanced section. So we put here in the formula way, and after that this problem can be solved in the very easy way. So you can take a screenshot.